In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your July dump photo trend on Instagram. So the first thing that you want to do is open up the Instagram app on your phone and then tap on your story in the top left corner. Then select a picture for your July photo dump and then tap on the smiley icon along the top of the screen. Now tap on add yours, which will then give people an option to add in their pictures for the July dump. So type in your July dump and hit done button, and then you can resize this and move the button about. Once you've done that, hit add to your story, and now you can see when we tap on add yours, it will automatically bring us into our camera and we can go in there to our gallery and add that in. And that's basically all there is to it. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Until next time, peace.